I've been hanging on, counting days.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a long-awaited video. I hope you're all doing okay. Thank you all so much for your kind messages. I've received them all and I am back and I will be posting at least one video a week. I'm not going to commit to more than one video because I've got a lot going on at the moment, which I will speak about in this video. But we are back and today's video is going to be a clean with me and it's going to be the downstairs area. We're not going to go upstairs because that's going to be for another video. But we are going to tackle the living room, the kitchen and the hallway today in today's video.
All I did was let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention. Maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know.
Okay, so I would firstly like to start by thanking every single one of you that have gone out of your way to message me, whether that be on Instagram or on TikTok, asking if I'm okay, where am I, what's been going on, and if I'm coming back to YouTube, and basically explaining to me how much my YouTube videos have helped you all. And I honestly can't thank each and every one of you enough, and I can't tell you how much those messages mean to me. Thank you all, because they have pushed me to continue with my YouTube channel. I was never planning on giving up YouTube, but it's definitely pushed me to come back. And as I said, there's a lot been going on this last year, a lot of things that have affected me and affected my mental health, and that's the reason that I haven't been here for YouTube. But like I said, I'm more than happy to do a video for you guys, basically like a Q&A video. I'll definitely do a Q&A. If you guys want to know anything, please leave some comments, some questions down below, whether that be related to cleaning or whether that be related to where I've been for this last year, what's been going on and so forth. Like any questions or anything that you want to know, please leave your questions down below. And also I want to know if you have any video suggestions of what you would like to see from me from now on. I definitely want to do some more routine videos as a mother of 2 children, and cooking videos like family cooking meals and everything like that. There is so many videos that I would love to do, but I want to know what you guys would like to see from me as well. But like I said, I am back. I'm going to be doing one video a week. The reason I can't commit to more than that is because I'm back working full time now. So I can only commit to the one video, and I don't want to be letting anybody down by saying, yeah, I'm going to post 2 or 3 videos or whatever when I can only do the one video. And like I said, if I can do more than one video, then I will definitely do it, but they will just be bonus videos. I will only be committing to posting one video a week, and that will most probably be uploaded on the Sunday, if not on the Monday. I haven't completely decided yet. It depends how I can work around things. But obviously I don't work on weekends as a teaching assistant, so I'm a Monday to Friday, but I'm definitely back doing YouTube. I missed it so much, and you guys have honestly pushed me to come back, because I wasn't actually planning on coming back until after Christmas. But you know what, guys, I'm back now, and I'm so far from doing this one video, it has brought back everything that I've enjoyed about doing YouTube. The recording, the editing, how fun and exciting it is doing a video and uploading a video for you guys. So yeah, it's been nice to come back. But yeah, so to end today's video, we're just going to be focusing on the downstairs area. Starting with the living room. To be honest, the downstairs wasn't that bad today, but I wanted to give it a quick freshen up. Halloween was literally the day before I did this cleaning video, so I wanted to go ahead and just freshen up. We did loads of art and crafts and things like that as well, so there was quite a bit of mess from that I needed to clean up. So yeah, we started with the living room. Then we're going to go ahead and move into the kitchen, and we're also going to do the hallway and the stairs as well.
But things I never did. Maybe you can't see that I'm hard to hold. I know I'm a basket case you think should be alone, but I still have my friends, don't want you. All I need is them, don't want you. I can barely sleep 'cause of you, but I still have my friends, don't want you. You're a nightmare, reminding me of who I am. I feel scared sometimes. Why'd you leave me be? I know I'm a mess, but I don't need you to tell me. I can't change the things that happen. I know my head's not right. I wish that I could be some.
Here's a little before and after clip for you guys. So this is what the living room looked like beforehand, and then what it looked like afterwards, after we finished cleaning in here. I've got some exciting news to tell you guys as well. It's not 100% yet. It's about 80% at the moment. We're still waiting on a little bit more details and kind of the go ahead, but we are, fingers crossed, going to be moving into a new house. So I will be definitely sure to do a house tour before we leave this house, because I haven't actually done one of those on my channel yet. So I will do a house tour before I leave this house, and I will be bringing you guys along for the moving journey, the vlogs, everything like that. So the unpacking, the packing videos, the moving in, the house tour of the new house, everything like that. I will be bringing you guys along. I've always wanted to do these type of videos, so when I am 100% sure and know exactly when everything's happening, I will give you guys a little bit more detail, and of course there'll be more videos coming your way about all of that as well. But I thought I would let you guys know we've got some exciting videos coming your way very, very soon, hopefully. Fingers crossed. After Christmas, the start of the year of 2023 is when we're kind of looking, but we will have to see.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. Talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. Talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more.
set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night?
And this is what the kitchen looks like after we finished cleaning it a lot better. And I'm sure some of you guys who have been here for a long time have most probably noticed as well, I put some shelves up in the kitchen on the side, and that space was just so bare and empty. And we went to IKEA and I found these shelves, and I thought they actually looked really nice in the kitchen. I think it's actually completed the look in the kitchen with having a little bit of the greenery and the jars and everything on the shelves. It just looks really nice and I'm really happy with it. But moving on to the hallway, I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick organize again. From the last time that you would have seen my videos, if you've been here from the start, you will see that the hallway looks very different. We've moved a few bits around. We've got a few different bits in the house now as well. I'll have to show you guys, especially upstairs. We've actually swapped rooms around upstairs as well, and we've got new furniture and things upstairs. But we put this organizer in the hallway and it is so convenient. We've got a box each for our shoes. We've got a box each for our bags, like the school bags, my work bag and everything like that. And it just is really convenient. It's easy when you come in through the door, take your shoes off, put them in the box, put your bag down. And yeah, I'm really liking how it looks at the moment. I'm going to go ahead and sort it all out, and it's definitely working much better, because before the hallway used to get so cluttered. It was kind of just like a dumping ground as soon as you come through the door. Now it's more of an organised dumping ground, I suppose you could say. But yeah, it's just working really well and I'm really happy with it.
Oh, I wonder. to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. I honestly can't thank you all enough for supporting me and watching my videos here on YouTube. It really does mean the world to me. But without further ado, thank you all again from the bottom of my heart for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the